evening, good afternoon, depending on your location. You're welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. God is able 2021. Yes, God is able to do all things. You can see, God is able to do all things. I've been able to set up my Christmas lights. I've been able to do my Christmas decoration, as I said earlier. My Christmas tree with its lights, its blinking, sparkling, everywhere is looking Christmas in the air. Just for candle. Yeah, I have some packages that I received. I already ordered from Amazon. I just received them, and I want to do some unboxing with you, my family. Yeah, the first thing that I ordered for this, so this is the pack. They call it a decorative candle. I want to use it to brighten up the room for Christmas. There is this party that I attended, and I saw the bulbs, the candlelight bulbs, and I like it, and I say, I have opportunity to decorate my room, my apartments, when I'm order for it. And thank God Christmas is in the season. So I had to order for it. This is it. Okay, these ones are even smaller. Oh wow, okay. The ones I saw was bigger than this. Okay? And this is the artificial candle. Just for decoration. For those of us that are into party decorations, they definitely knows about this. I'm equally ordered for the battery because it uses a battery. So I had to order for the battery so that I'll be able to power it. I want it to arrive, and I'll start looking for. Okay, this is the battery. You can use any AAA battery, yeah. Let me just the strong one and see if it's gonna work. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna bounce with us is this is the pack where the package the candles. Hope you can see it. I have ordered for 24 pieces. Yes. As I was saying, the next thing that I want to unbox with us is let me try this. It's gonna work this way. It's my blender. I ordered for a blender at Costco, and the blender I use it for barely 6 months, and kind of developed for my lights. So if I put it like 3 or 4, I'm gonna set it on something. Let me also show you what I bought, where I'm gonna set it on. To beautify my house. Oh God. So insert it into here. I'm gonna piece it good. Let me get something else. What is this another? Where I want it. I see it. Now I can put it outside. Please. See it? Okay. When I complete it, I'm gonna set it outside. It looks beautiful. So the next thing, the third thing I said I bought to two people is this. What is inside this should be blender. The blender has that Costco. I used it for less than 6 months and it developed for. And I had to call the company Nutribullet. They gave me a new pack after asking me certain questions. They told me that they're going to send this thing for me, a new pack of blender. So I believe this is the blender. This is the cover. Nutribullet, thank you so much. I received the gifts. It's not a paid promo, please. Just acknowledging. Wow, they're now in different cartons. Like, when I bought it, I think everything was inside one carton. Wow. This blender is very powerful. It crushed beans. Why I like it, I have two other blenders, but those blenders I hardly use it to blend my beans. So that's what made me to begin to call the company to see if they'll be able to fix the blender for me. But thank God that they just gave me new one. Even the old one is still with me. I'll show you the picture. Okay, this is the engine of the blender. Wow. But something is missing. It's supposed to be 3 cups, but they only gave me 2. It's better than not having anything at all. Huh? Yeah. And Nutribullet is here. It's a very powerful engine. And they fully give me this, so it's just 3 cups that they give me. I like it, cherish it, and seal. This is it. That's it. Again, blending. Okay, blend it easy. Okay, my family. After I want to show you. I want to unbox this. I ordered for Stockfish. The Stockfish, I'm not going to open everything now because I'm still going to take it to where they're going to cut it for me. So if I open everything now, it's going to be tough for me to start unboxing it. So I'm just going to show us what is inside. Stockfish. Wow. I have like 7 pieces of it inside this bag. Yeah, inside the bag. These 7 pieces, I paid $390. That is with the shipping. My sister-in-law helped me to order for it. Okay, so when I cut it small, I will also show you how I package it and stuff it. This can last me for almost a year, if not plus 1 year. Yeah. Thank you, family, for watching. Thank you for standing by. God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also come back, be part of this family. God bless you. Need any clarification, just go to the comment section and ask, or email me. My email is there. Now send me direct message. God bless you.